And we've got some dense fog around this morning, particularly towards the east. That should clear away by about the middle of the morning, but it's still really unsettled. Some heavy downpours today, blustery winds, and that continues for the next few days. I'll have more details for you coming up shortly.
Right now, morning, Sarah. What have you got?
What a picture, Sarah.
Yeah, morning to you both, morning to you at home too. Quite a bit of fog around this morning actually, so you might want to leave a little bit of extra time if you're commuting to work this morning, because we've got some mists and murk around. This is the picture out there in Norfolk at the moment, but quite widely across parts of northern, eastern England, the Midlands as well. That's where we've got some really dense fog patches around. It's going to slowly clear away by the middle part of the morning. But if you're not waking up to mist and fog, you might well be waking up to some heavy showers, because the weather is looking really unsettled again today and for the next few days. So we've got more heavy downpours for many of us, blustery winds at times too, all down to the fact that this area of low pressure sitting to the west is really slow moving. It's going to be anchored there for the next few days. So we've got showers and we've got frontal systems rotating around that. This one moving in could well be a bit of a troublemaker in the south through Saturday and Sunday as well, so some heavy rain on the way. But just look at the expected rainfall accumulations for the next 3 days, and your eye is going to be drawn to parts of eastern Scotland, because it's here that we could see another 100 millimetres, perhaps even more than that, and that's going to be falling on that really saturated ground. So the potential for further flooding problems, particularly across parts of eastern Scotland through the weekend, but we're also going to see plenty more heavy showers in the south. So through today, that mist and fog for many central parts of the UK slowly clears away, and then we're looking at some sunshine reappearing for Northern Ireland, Wales, central and southern England, but some showers around. More cloud for northeast England and eastern Scotland, where it's also going to be windy with more persistent rain, and temperatures around about 10 to 16 degrees for most of us today. Overnight then, the weather doesn't change in a hurry across Scotland. Again, it's cloudy, it's windy, there's more rain working in. Further south, heavy showers rattling in on these brisk southwesterly winds, and for parts of southern England into Wales, they could be quite heavy, quite thundery as well. But again, through central areas, we could well see some mist and some murk forming. So a bit of a murky start to Saturday. We've already got some heavy showers for many areas. Through the day, we're going to keep that easterly wind driving in more cloud and outbreaks of rain for the southeast of Scotland, northeast England too. Sunshine and showers elsewhere, but just look at that really torrential rain working in to the southwest of England, Wales. The winds pick up too in the south later on Saturday. So again, the potential that we could see some more flooding problems. And don't forget, Saturday night into the early hours of Sunday morning, that's when the clocks are going to go back by 1 hour. So heading through Saturday night into Sunday, here's this area of low pressure, this frontal system pushing its way gradually northwards through the second half of the weekend. Quite a lot of isobars on the map showing us that it's not only going to be wet, but it's going to be a windy spell of weather too. So Sunday, more heavy rain again across eastern Scotland, rainfall totals mounting up, flooding again possible. Further south, some sunshine, but plenty of heavy downpours too. So I think all in all, to summarise the next few days, you're going to need an umbrella, you're going to need a waterproof. We've got more rain on the cards. Temperatures pretty much average for the time of year. Naga and Charlie.
A lot of people will be very distressed to see more rain, especially with those areas that have already struggled so much in the last couple of weeks. I want to talk to you, Sarah, your strategy when it comes to the hour going back. Do you take an extra hour in bed, or do you just think, yes, I've got more time in the day?
Well, it's always good if you're working an early shift, isn't it? If you're a breakfast presenter and you're on the Sunday morning shift, that extra hour is precious, I can tell you. It's not me this weekend, but I'll enjoy it in bed, definitely.
Excellent. All right, Sarah, thanks very much.